Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix is Tina. And Tina is out and about, and she's talking about Donna and Kris. Now, the focus shifted as she's talking about Donna, Kris, and Chocolate. She's saying that basically they went ahead and strike her page, and because of this, she's talking about them. Now, she's saying that the video that was struck was something about Donna and Kris had strike that, so she's coming out for her. You have to go ahead and go catch the video and hear what she has to say about this. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. And I wish you prosperity beyond your measure and all that your heart desires. And for all my other lovelies and friends, my supporters, my followers, whoever you may call me and my subscribers as well, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today. Go watch the video. Don't miss it. Share it.
They have to try to do that for Donna. Right? You get me? Even with this fight. Yeah. But here one now, you see when him and her kick off, him gonna do some wicked things to her. Because remember the two of them in there, the two of them are do them foolishness together, Him a criminal and she a criminal. The two of them are scam them one another. Me hear somebody come on my live and I talk about Bonix. What's going on with that Bonix thing that you were talking about with Donna? Me not understand. Some scam thing go on, some fraud thing go on. Me never did I really follow that up, What happened with that? Kris never knows them could have go Canada. May I repeat everything over here, so. Because remember him flag my other page. Him never knows them could have go Canada, Never knows him could have go Canada. Because apparently him have a record from before. So him never know him could have go Canada. Nope. So when him did I go Canada at the thing, I try out a thing and it got through. Never know him could have go. Him did a fret out Ross, and this is how him got pop up on Donna over in Canada. Because he didn't know he was just like Erica. They couldn't go nowhere. Nowhere him could have go. Him as a career criminal from beginning to end. Him a career criminal. Thief people credit card. Yes. You don't notice him shop. Nobody not in the shop. Nobody don't in the shop at all. Nobody. Because him can't bake in the shop. That's why him strike my channel. But pants mouth. And me said inspectors are your shop, And me. It's not me, baby love. And me. Because think about it, you have free good me for 4 years. If me want to send inspector at your shop, would I send in a long time? If me that interested in your shop, no, I'm not. I didn't even know where to go find your grade. And people send it to me and show me. When them come at your shop and you say, oh, them come at your shop and this and that and that and that. Me never know say them come at your... Me never know say somebody call sitting there for you. And me, they on me live the morning. When me I talk to my followers, them, and me hear say them come at your shop. Me never know say them come at your shop and small. I had no idea. I hear say them come at your shop and I say, what? Yeah, them tell me say them come at your shop. So where you strike my channel for? But either way, I'm glad to them come at your shop still. You frigga yo. You did go on too much on social media. I'm glad them come at your shop. God know. Because you did go on like you're untouchable. Like nobody can touch you. You're hurting now. You put up big dirty ugly smile on Facebook and a smile. Like say, yeah. A smile. A smile on Facebook like you're happy. Go boy, stress a kill you. Alright, you gotta go. You gotta go. You're not getting no sales from me. Go find something for them. You smile like you're happy. We know say you're not happy because stress a kill you. You old thief, yo. Stress a kill you but you want 11,000 pounds. Me, you and Donna are the same. Two big dirty thief. I want them call down the whole of England for your nasty Ross. I want them call down the whole of England for you. him upset. Sakia boss him and the whole of Trini hate him. Him can't go back to Trinidad. The boy can't go back to Trinidad. And my fault, no babes. Me never yet. I mean, I have a lot of Trini followers, but I never really expressed any interest in going to Trini. So I'm glad same. Cause remember, I know him blame me for everything. Him blame me for everything. Every time him get stopped at airport, according to him blame me. I mean, I say, what's wrong with this dude? Why you calling up my name for every shit, yo? I want him to get him visa for come back at the US. Him claims that him go sit on a window and the lawyer show him a bunch of papers. And when the lawyer show him the bunch of papers, the people at the counter said, well, woman named Tina. Who the hell, you think I'm thinking about you for writing a damn British embassy for your ass? And number two, me not writing a letter. If me I go report you about nothing. Me I come over there and walk, you saw like what me do the other day? Me I come over there and walk straight to the police station like what me do the other day. Yes, me I sit up on the flight for 7 hours and come to the police station for your ass. I ain't writing no letters. Ain't writing no damn letters for you. Ain't doing that shit. Me not write no letter for you, baby love. Me I come right over there in England, come report you. No, sir. We can't bother with England mail. It take too long. The whole across the waters meal, no. I want whosoever after you see, I want them report you. I want them report everything about you. Make me sit down and laugh. I make you keep your kin quiet on your page. You dirty drunk or you. Yeah. Come out here and go on with yourself. Where that girl to the and quack till Mr. Suppose to see the dirty video them where the boy talk about me on social media. And them a go on with him. So go you pity them not like you and this and this and that. And then when Kia talk about him not even push out him head. When Tia cuss him not even push out him head. And then him write long paragraph. And you know, my heart hurts because I love people and people misunderstand me. I bet him would have come out on social media and do that shit again. Hey, oh, me not hear him talk nothing about Lorraine. Me not hear him talk nothing about Lorraine, Felix, or nothing like that. You notice you not hear him mention nothing about Lorraine on him live no more? Me I wonder if Lorraine take away herself. Oh my God. Remember him and Lorraine used to pee clock. Me not hear him say nothing about Lorraine on him live no more. You remember him used to, hi Lorraine, this and Lorraine, what my Lorraine, Felix, la 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 la. From Kazim Muma shame him like dog. Kazim Muma shame the girl them at the house, kick them out, Lorraine get, you left all the way from Canada and go people yard in a Trinidad go stay. So why you do that for? You know you not no ras money. You stay here and go left your drawers, your shit up drawers. You know the people. I want the shit up drawers there. Lord, me I forgot look for the shit up drawers. I wear the dirty drawers there. Let me see if I can find the shit up drawers. Hold on. I left the shit up drawers and the people them also. Hold on the people. Let me look if I can find the shit up drawers. Where the shit up drawers there? May I look feed people. Jesus God. I wish day the shit up drawers did show. What on the people may I look for the shit up drawers? But can't find it, bruh. May I look for the shit up drawers? What on there? This nice, see? Okay. I mean, my daughter that now. I'm gonna find a dig up. I mean, I'm a first born that. Talk to me nice. See me, I'm a first born there. You saw me pretty? Look how girl nice. Me, I'm a first born. See her? You don't know nothing about me? Yeah. Me, I'm a first born there. See her there? Look how pretty nice. Hmm? Yeah, me, I'm a first born, yeah, so. Love her gone to bed. Yeah. But me, I graduate with my graduation gown. What them know about that? All on the people, may I look for something. And when it come out again, may I look for the drawers, people. Which part the drawers there? No, sir, I can't find the drawers. You remember we are talking about the people them ugly bed? Oh, Urban, take it off. The people them ugly bed. Why? But I laugh. Urban, take it off from my page. Hold on, this is when the mix-up start. Boy, memories. No, sir. No, sir. You frigga, yo. It's sweet me. Sweet me. You frigga, yo. God don't like ugly. Go. But you strike. You love frig with people and can't take it. Eh? Love mess with people and can't take it. Go from here, so. May I look for the panty, guys, but I can't find the panty. Can't find the drawers. But me I look feet and can't find it. I don't know about the panty gone. About the panty gone. Hold on here, guys. Me I look for the panty and can't find it. No, sir. I'm going to find the tie around the neck. I can't find it, guys. And the ugly people there. I can't find it. March 22nd gone. Gee. Dirty set of people them. Can you just imagine? Guys, subscribe to the live, guys. Subscribe to the live. I said the people them bad man, you know, at the pretty screen are bad at them, you know. You see true, you know, give me a pretty screen and them see my page a bill up and him, yes, him no want me make no money. Go dirty boy. Go. If me can't make no money on YouTube, you nah ship no care come here, dirty boy. Go. I'm gonna make sure so the caller do what she need for do. If the caller ever call back. Go. Since me can't name you not name ya either. Move your dirty rascal. Find your customer them over UK. Go. Dirty boy. I go and make you smuggle like anything. Just like how them smuggle humans come across. I go and make you smuggle till you're weak. Yeah? But you come and strike people page. I go and make you smuggle till you're weak. Dirty boy. In bad mind is a bad man make him ugly, sir. Guys, I'm a very good person, guys. Guys, I'm a very good person. My ego is big. But I'm a very good person, guys. Guys, I'm yeah, it just sweet me. It's sweet me when him start get cussed like dog. I say, yes, man. Yes. When the lady say, you know you're dying. You know you're dying. And him is like, no, nothing. I'm here, so the person who him asleep, who him get it from, yeah. Me so the people who him get it from, they come from somewhere. The person used to live there with him. The person used to live in a Birmingham because, like I'm telling you, him used to work in a Royal Mail. Pansmouth used to work in a Royal Mail. And him used to work in a Royal Mail under an assumed identity. So when him thief the people them credit card now are run gone and them a look for him, them never know who for look for. Shortly after that, he gained his him getting him asylum thing, got through and everything like that. Right? Him get him asylum thing and everything. And after him get him asylum thing, him did have an apartment in a Birmingham, them say. Listen. And him know some information good. That's why I'm strike my page. When I tell him, me go contact Royal Mail, move your Ross. I am going to contact Royal Mail and let Royal Mail know where your shop is. Yes, a youth, yes. Because Royal Mail, it look fine, but Royal Mail never know where to look because remember, he's under an assumed identity. What? She threatened to, what? Let me tell you what I born him to. Through Kia, the on my page and stuff like that, and that didn't have born him. It did have born him, it did have born him, it did have born him. Because I'm thinking, but I'm not talk to Kia. I don't talk to Kia. I don't, me and her have a conversation. No. Me and her have a conversation. But he must have through him see her on my page a couple of times. Him think it's something. Yeah. So him upset. But I'm not Kia me I get information from. There are a lot of people out there you do wickedness, you know. You have to remember that. And like when I tell you, one of them call me. And them call me. And I never, true, me don't know the number really. And I listen to the message and I don't hear nothing. I never did answer the phone. But finally, I did answer the phone Friday. I did answer the phone Friday. And the person saying, no, how long I've been trying to get you? I've been trying to get you a long time. And I'm like, no. And them start giving 1 whole hour upon the phone with the person. Yeah, 1 whole hour upon the phone. That's what you get about your band bloggers for come cuss me off. I don't know you from nowhere. And the person start tell me everything about him. I see that house, that tall building where they live in a government sitting him did I live? Yes. Government house. Nobody now name them loaf there. Because after them see the mole them in your shop and all them something there, your cake is not safe to eat. And anybody want yam them shit, they wicked to themselves. Cause me, nah yam nothing when me see mole, me eat with my eyes. Right? Eat with my eyes. Look like them give me a certain amount of days. Somebody tell me say, it's gonna take a couple of weeks before it update pan for them website, but them I go check it and make me know where him score was. Yes, my dear child. Because them have to update it and put it out by law. You see, like how them go and shop or whatever, things them find when not good, them have to put it up on the website for put the public pan warning. So you see, like how him now bake, it got up on the website. It got up on the website as transparent. And the nicest thing about it is that him, nor Donna, and none of them can stop it. None of them can pay nobody for stop it because it's in the public's best interest for it to be public. Yeah. So when him come out and tell us say the map color them, I lie him a tell because he's not baking there. Him a baking at the warehouse. But how him a plan for put shower in a warehouse? The people them where him lease the place from know say him a convert that the warehouse there in a one place for live. How am I put shower in that the place there? That's a residential property. So how is it that him a put shower and bed and all in sitting there? Plus the cake police where I call my phone for him. Why? You think I me hate you? You have some, I don't know what you're doing in life to people, dear. Because I don't know what you're doing in life to people, but they're calling about you. Okay? 857-209-6095. They're calling about you, Pansmouth. They're calling about you. I don't know. I don't know, Tiffany. Me don't know. But my ear say, if anything bad happened, like when they had come the other day, remember he said they came and stuff like that, and I never really believed him. But when I see him be at the warehouse, I say, wait, something did really wrong for true. Because I never did believe him. But then the caller call and tell me, say, a she call. Me say, what the Ross? Me never did believe him, honestly. Yeah. And then now me see my bacon at the warehouse. Me say, oh, he must swallow him pride. Him get licked, so he must swallow him pride and I go bacon at the warehouse because him need the money. Okay. So him transfer him thing them from one to the next. And that's why the caller called today and the caller say, the lady at Queens, don't sell none of your him things them in your shop. And I can't blame that caller because it's dangerous. It's dangerous. Me never see my bacon at the warehouse before. I must have true me not watch him like that. Oh, he's been baking in the warehouse. Oh, okay. And the first time I really see my bacon there. I not see my bacon there. Oh. At the first me ever see my bacon there, baby love. That for sure, so I not even watch the man like that. Oh. So in my bake, but which part am I gonna put the shower? Where am I gonna put shower in a warehouse? Because I'm assuming that when you rent a lease a commercial space, a commercial space is just that, a commercial space. So him not own the property outright, right? Because it's a lease. So how you gonna put so tell me something. In the UK, right? When you're doing those building changes, isn't that something that has to be passed by Department of Buildings or something like that? You guys don't have those types of trust me, people are watching and see what's up.